Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at CoreWeave. It is time for another update, just a short one this time, but going quickly through the long time frame, we are tracking here a 5-wave move to the upside in a wave 1 impulse, and then we have been tracking ever since we were somewhere around this area and we were looking for a retracement in an ABC pattern into the support zone, the white support zone between $97 down to around $48.5 level. And from here we expect, with increased probabilities, a reversal to the upside into a third wave to new all-time highs. Now usually the third wave is the most impulsive wave, so we expect quite strong upside potential in the following movement to the upside if it works out. Now there's never a guarantee that such movements do work out, and yeah, so when we complete this supposed wave 2 in white that we are looking for, we expect to form most likely a first wave 1 to the upside that won't be the actual entire third wave, and then we will get another opportunity to enter in another 1-2 setup, but then we will most likely follow up in an even stronger movement to the upside. And yes, we do expect and we do look for another 1-2 setup once this is complete, and it could be complete at any moment, but sometimes they don't offer such opportunities and they do retrace very little, maybe not even to the first level of support that we would be looking for in a wave 2. So this might be the best opportunity to look for an entry, because here on this chart we have already completed the A wave down, the B wave up, and the C wave to the downside looks quite near completion. I would say that so far we have a 1, 2, 3, and now possibly the 4th and the 5th to complete this C wave to the downside. And in the previous video I was mentioning that I was still debating at which level I would start accumulating in this area, and we did reach the first level, but to be honest I do expect still another movement to the downside, and I find it very likely that we do reach the 78.6% extension level at around $91.7, and yeah, that is a point where we might have a good chance to actually complete this correction, complete this wave 2, and we could start looking for our first 5-wave move to the upside. That would then allow us to maybe take some profits, because overall it could turn out to be something different where it's a larger A, B, C pattern that is developing, but it could also provide an opportunity to enter, as I said, in another wave 2 in this area. Now, before we actually get there, I want to provide a resistance area to look for the reversal in a wave 4. And as I said, it is possible that this wave 4 is already complete. I do see so far an ABC that could be counted, so that's enough. Minimum requirements, minimum expectations are complete. Now the ideal retracement for a wave 4 is usually the 38.2% retracement level, and that would be at $105 this time, but we could very likely head directly down from here as we have completed the minimum expectations. Now I might make a video on explaining how to invest with Elliott wave, but the idea is, very shortly, we are in a large 1-2 setup support zone, or at the moment very much near one, and we could be looking at a lot of upside in the following third wave. Now it won't necessarily be a one move to the upside where there are no other opportunities to enter, but it is one of the best setups to look for overall. And the first thing we need in such a move is a 5-wave move to the upside. Then the next level of confirmation would be a 3-wave move to the downside. That would be the first opportunity to actually enter in such a pullback, and then we would be looking for another 5-wave move to the upside, that could be another wave 1, and then another 3-wave move to the downside, that would be a smaller wave 2, and those would be within the larger third wave to the upside that would contain all of the 5 waves, but at a much larger scale most likely. But for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.